Good morning, students. We study about the outer angles. How to find out the outer and inner angles of polygons. Then, for calculating the sum of angles, we need only the number of sides. So, the number of sides are n. We can find out the sum of inner angles. That is n minus 2 into 180. The inner angles and the outer angles together, it is a linear pair and the sum is 180 degree. Unchanging sum. What is the sum of angles of an n-sided polygon? If n sides are there, what is the sum of angles? That is n minus 2 into 180. That is the, for an n-sided polygon, sum of angle is n minus 2 into 180. And the angle that you are getting, that is the inner angles. So, to calculate sum of inner angles of any polygon, we need only to know the number of sides, n if needed. If we know the number of sides, we can find out the inner angles of a polygon. Then, what about the outer angles? How will you find out the outer angles of a polygon? Today we are discussing about that one. First you have to find out the third angle of the triangle. One is 65, next one is 35. This one you have to find out. How will you find out? Total angle is 190 degree minus 65 plus 35. So 190 minus, how much is this? 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 10, it is 100. So 180 minus 100 is 80 degree. So the third angle of this triangle is 80 degree. So for a triangle, how many sides? 1, 2 and 3 sides. So sum of angle, how will you find out? N minus 2 into 180. That is 3 minus 2 into 180. What is getting 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 180 is 180 degree. So this 180 is how much? That is the inner angle. Sum of inner angle you are getting as 180. You know the sum of angles of a triangle is 180. So the sum of inner angle we are getting. If you know the sides, we can find out the inner angles of a triangle. Next we are finding out the outer angles. And the total outer angles, how much we have to find out. Outer angle at A. This is how much? 190. These two are linear pairs. So 190 degree minus 65. How much you are getting? That is 115 degree. Then what about outer angle at B? This is 35. 190 minus 35. You have to find out. How much is this one? 180 minus 35 is 145 degree. Then what about the outer angle of C? It is 190 minus 80. How much you are getting? 100. So outer angle at A is 115, at B is 145, at C is 100. Now we can take the sum of these outer angles. So sum of outer angles at A it is 115 degree, at B it is 145 degree, and at C is 100 degree. So if you add these three, what we will get? You try to find out. You will get 360 degree. So the outer angles, if you add it, 115, 145 and 100, if you add it, you will get how much? 360 degree. So the sum of angles of all triangles is 360. Can you find out this? All the triangles, it is 360 or not? See this triangle. The sum of inner and outer angles at A is how much? It is 180 degree. And what about B? Sum of this inner angle and this outer angle together, it is how much? 180. Then inner angle and outer angle. Together it is 180 degree. So by adding all inner angles and outer angles at 3 vertices, so by adding all inner, 3 inner angles are there, 3 outer angles are there. So all inner angles and all outer angles at the vertices, how much you get? 180 plus 180 plus 180, that we can write as 3 into 180, that is 540. So 3 times 180 is multiplied, you will get 540. The sum of angles of a triangle is how much? 180 degree. The sum of outer angle alone is how much? Sum of outer angle alone without inner angle, how much? Inner angle and outer angle, inner and outer angle together it is 540, and inner angle alone is how much? 180. So sum of outer angle, how to find out? From 540 you have to subtract 180, so how much you get? 360 degree. So all inner and outer angle at these 3 vertices together it is 3 into 180, 540. Inner angle plus outer angle is 540. Then the sum of angles of triangle is how much? Inside the inner angles together it is how much? 180. So we can find out the sum of outer angles alone. So sum of outer angle is equal to sum of inner angle plus sum of outer angle minus sum of inner angle. So you will get the outer angle as 360 degree. See again, all inner and outer angle together it is 540. That means inner plus outer angle together 540. Then sum of angles of a triangle, you know how much? 180. That means that is the inner angle. Sum of inner angles is 180. Then what you have to find out? You have to find out outer angles alone. So from this total 540, what you have to? You have to subtract the sum of inner angles. So you get the answer as 360 degree. So sum of outer angles of a triangle, that should be equal to 360 degree. What about quadrilateral? Is it same or not? See that one. This is a quadrilateral with the 4 sides. Inner and outer angle is marked. Each angle at A, how much is that? These 2 angles together it is 180. This inner and outer angle together it is 180. At C also 180. At D also 180. So how much is the total? 4 into 180, that is 720. So total inner and outer angle together it is 720. Then to get the outer angle alone, find out the sum of outer angle. What do you have to do? You have to subtract the 4 angles inside. Subtract the sum of angles of a quadrilateral. Sum of angles of a quadrilateral is how much? 360. So that 360 should be subtracted. So from the total inner and outer angle, you have to subtract the inner angle of quadrilateral. How much you will get? 360 again. So if it is a triangle or a quadrilateral, the sum of outer angle is always 360. That is the general thing we are getting from this one. If it is any polygon, the outer angle should be, the sum of outer angle should be 360 only. How many vertices for a triangle? 3. So 3 into 180, that is 540. So that is together. Then you have to subtract the inner angles, so you get 360. Then about quadrilateral, there should be 4 sides and 4 vertices. So 4 into 180 is 720. 720 minus sum of inner angles, so you get 360. Then compute if it is a pentagon or hexagon, that also it has same outer angle, that is 360. There is no change. See that one. An n-sided polygon, how many vertices are there? N vertices are there. So n linear pairs are also there. N-sided polygon, n vertices are there. N linear pair, that is at a vertices there should be inner and outer angle together, that is a linear pair. So sum of all these angles, how many vertices are there? Multiplied by 180. Triangle, 3 vertices, so 3 into 180. Quadrilateral, 4 vertices. 4 into 180. So by getting all angles, the sum of all angles, that is inner angle plus outer angle, number of vertices multiplied by 180. Then sum of inner angle we already studied. How will you find out the sum of inner angles? N minus 2 into 180. Then we have to find out the sum of outer angles. What do you have to do? From all the angles, inner angle plus outer angle, that is n into 180, minus sum of inner angle you have to subtract. So you get the answer as 360 degree. So sum of outer angles of any polygon is 360. For an n-sided polygon, n vertices are there, n linear pairs also. See the triangle, 3 vertices, n is 3, and 3 sides are also. For a quadrilateral, 4 sides and 4 vertices, so n is 4. Then what about the total angle? That is 3 into n into 180. That is the total angle of this triangle, inner and outer angle together. Here how much? N into 180, that is 4 into 180. Then so n-sided polygon, there should be n vertices, n linear pairs. And what about sum of all angles? Sum of all angle means sum of inner angle plus outer angle together. How much? How many number of vertices are there? That should be multiplied by 180 degree. Then what about the inner angle? Inner angle is how many sides are there? You have to subtract 2 into 180 degree. So inner angle is n minus 2 into 180. Sum of all angles is n into 180. That is inner angle plus outer angle. So you have to find out the outer angle only. So what you have to do? Sum of all angle minus sum of inner angle. Sum of all angle is how much? N into 180 degree minus sum of inner angle is n minus 2 into 180 degree. So how to subtract this? N into 180 minus n into 180 minus into minus plus 2 into 180. I have to remove the bracket. N into 180 is here, minus 2 into 180 is here. So minus into minus plus. So plus. So this is cancelled. One is plus and another is minus. So both is cancelled. Balance is how much? 2 into 180. 2 into 180 is how much? 360. So for an n-sided polygon, how many? The sum of outer angle of any polygon is 360. Sum of outer angle of any polygon is 360. Sum of all angle is n into 180. Sum of inner angle is n minus 2 into 180. And sum of outer angle is 360 is always. Okay, for any polygon, the outer angle should be 360 only. See this one. Using 3 circles, you can make a triangle. If you rearrange it, you will get a smaller triangle here. What about the sum of angles? It is same like the previous one. And these two triangles also, the outer and inner angle together, it is same. And if you make it small also, by shrinking you can get another triangle, a smaller triangle. And if you rearrange, you get like this. So around a point, how much is the angle? 360. That you are getting here. So sum of angles marked on the figure is how much? 360. Here only outer angles. Here inner and outer angles are there. Here also inner and outer angles are there. So in this case, if you rearrange it, we are getting only the outer angles. That is 360. See this shrinking polygon. Here also, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides are there. So n is 6. So n into 180 you have to find out. So if you rearrange it, if you shrink it, make it small, it will be like this. Then if you shrink it finally, you will get a small one like this. Then again if you shrink it, you will get like this. The sum of outer angle of this polygon is how much? Here only the outer angle you can see. So how much is that? That is also 360. So for any polygon, the outer angle is always 360. The outer angle, always it is 360. Here it is inner and outer angle is there. Together is there. Linear pair is there. But here only the outer angle is, you can see there. So that angle is how much is that? 360, you can see it. See the first question. All angles in an 18-sided polygon are equal. All angles in an 18-sided polygon are equal. how much is each outer angle? Each outer angle you have to find out. All the angles are equal and you have to find out each outer angle. How many sides? 18 sides. See the answer. The sum of outer angle you find out. For all polygon it is 360. Here the number of outer angle is how much given? Number of outer angle is same as number of sides. That is n is equal to 18. So you have to find out each outer angle. How will you find out? Total angle is 360. Then how many sides? 18 sides. So 360 by 18. How much you will get? 18 2s are 32. So 20 degree you will get. So each angle is 20 degree. So sum of angle is 360 and 18 sided polygon means n is equal to 18. So total sum divided by the number of sides. You will get each angle should be 20 degree. If it is 18 sides, there should be 18 outer angles there. So sum of angle by number of outer angle. So it is 20 degree. Sides PQ and RS of a quadrilateral shown below. They are parallel also. These two lines are parallel. Compute all inner and outer angles of quadrilateral. These two lines are parallel and you have to find out all the angles. Inner and outer angle you have to find out. So two angles are here. One is 50 degree, one is 110 degree. Other inner and outer angle you have to find out. See, given this name as T, P, Q, R, S is the name of the quadrilateral and outer angle are giving T, U, V and W. See this one. These two lines are parallel. PQ is parallel to RS. What about these two angles? These are corresponding angles. So if this is 50, what about here? Here also 50. So RSW is how much? 50 degree because it is corresponding angles. What about angle PSR? This angle. If this is 50, what about this angle? 180 minus 50. So these are linear pairs also you can find out. 180 minus 50 is 130 degree. So angle PSR is equal to 180 minus 50, that is 130 degree. Then the outer angle of R, this one. How will you find out this? 180 minus 110. How much you will get? 70 degree. So this angle is 70. Then outer angle of Q. How will you find out this? These two lines are parallel and what about these two angles? These are alternate angles. Oh, this is 70. What about here? Here also 70 degree. These are alternate angles. So the outer angle of Q is how much? 180 minus 70. That will get 110 degree. So 70 is the outer angle of R. 110 is the outer angle of Q. Next we have to find out the outer angle of P. This is how much? 180 minus 50 will get 130 degree. So these are the four inner angles: 50, 130, 110, 70. And outer angle is at S is 50, at R is 70, at Q is 110, and at P is 130 degree. So you have to write like this. So the outer angle at Q is how much? These two are alternate angles. PQ is parallel to RS, so alternate angles. Then at Q, what is outer angle? 180 minus 70, it is 110. PSQ, PU, QU, this is outer angle. Then outer angle at P is how much? 180 minus 50, it is 130 degree. So like this we have to find out the inner and outer angles of this quadrilateral. in a polygon with all angles equal, one outer angle is twice the inner angle. All angles are equal and one outer angle is twice the inner angle. How much is each of its angle and how much sides does it have? So see again, one outer angle is twice an inner angle. So sum of outer angles of a polygon is 360. Then so it is given that one outer angle all angles equal and one outer angle is twice the inner angle. So inner angle we can take as x. So what about outer angle? It is twice. So 2x. And sum of inner angle plus outer angle is how much? So x plus 2x is equal to one inner angle and outer angle. How much will come? It will be a 180 degree. That is a linear pair. An inner angle and outer angle together it is 180. So x plus 2x is 180. So x plus 2x is how much? 3x is 180. Then what about x? 180 degree minus by 3. 180 degree by 3 is equal to 60 degree. So one inner angle you got as 60. Then look at the question. First one, each inner angle is, how much is each of its angle? See the first one. How much is each of its angle? Inner angle you got as 60. What about the outer angle? Inner angle is 60. Outer angle is how much? Double of this, twice 2. So 2 into 60, that is 120 degree each. 120 degree each. Then the second question. How many sides does it have? How many sides does it have? Number of sides is equal to 360 divided by 120. Sum of angle is 360 and each angle is 120. So how much you will get? 12 3s are 36. So 30. 3. 0 0 cancel. 12 3s are 36. So you got the number of sides as 3. So number of sides 3. Inner angle 60. Outer angle is double. That is 120. See again. So all angles are equal and one outer angle is twice the inner angle. So take inner angle as x, outer angle is 2x. Sum of angle, inner angle plus outer angle is a linear pair. So it is 180. From this you got inner angle as 60. So if inner angle is 60, what about outer angle? Twice the inner angle, 120. Then find out the sides. Number of sides is equal to sum of angle by each angle. So 360 by 120. 0 0 cancel. 12 3s are 36. So you got the sides are 3. Next, fifth question. The sum of the outer angles of a polygon is twice the sum of inner angle. Sum of outer angle of a polygon is twice the sum of inner angles. How many sides does it have? What if the sum of outer angle is half the sum of inner angle and if the sums are equal? So 3 questions are there. How many sides? If the sum of outer angle is half, then what about the inner angle? Sum of inner angle. Then what about the sums are equal? So 3 questions you have to find out. So sum of outer angle is 360. For all polygon it is 360. Then the first question, number of sides you have to find out. And it is given in the question, sum of outer angle is twice the sum of inner angle. So what is the sum of inner angles? N minus 2 into 180. That is the equation to find out sum of which one? Inner angle. So it is twice the, so 2 times. Sum of outer angle is equal to 2 times the sum of inner angle. Sum of inner angle is n minus 2 into 180. Then so sum of the outer angle is how much? 360 degree. So 2 into n minus 2 into 180 is 360. 2 into, that is twice. Sum of inner angle is n minus 2 into 180. That's equal to 360. Sum of outer angle is 360. So n minus 2 is equal to 360 divided by 2 should be divided and 180 should be divided. So it is 360 by 360. 2 into 180 is 360. How much you will get? 1. It's cancelled. So n minus 2 is equal to 1. What is n? 1 plus 2, it is 3 sides. So sum of outer angle is 360. Sum of inner angle is n minus 2 into 180. So twice the inner angle. So 2 into n minus 2 into 180 is 360. Then 2 into 180 is 360. That should be divided. So n minus 2 into 360 is equal to 360. Then n minus 2 is equal to 360 by 360 is equal to 1. N minus 2 is equal to 1. N is equal to 3 sides. Second question, if the sum of outer angle is half of the sum of inner angles. So half of the sum of inner angle is equal to sum of outer angle. So half into n minus 2 into 180 is 360. N minus 2 is equal to 360. Here it is divided. So it will be multiplied. Here it is multiplied. It should be divided. So 360 into 2 by 180. Then 360 0 cancelled. 18 2s are 36. So 2 into 2 it is 4. So n minus 2 is equal to 4. What is n? 4 plus 2, it is 6. So the number of sides are 6. If the outer angle is half the sum of inner angle, the sides are 6. This is the third one. If the sums are equal, n minus 2 into 180 is equal to 360. Sum of inner angle is equal to sum of outer angle. So n minus 2 is equal to 360 by 180. 0 is cancelled. 18 2s are 36. You will get 2. So n minus 2 is equal to 2. What is n? 2 plus 2, it is 4 sides. So if the sums are equal, and sum of inner angle is equal to sum of outer angle, n minus 2 is equal to 2 will get. So from that n is equal to 4 sides.